everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sarim. In this video, I'll ask my dad what is neighbor and neighborhood.
All the people that live around you are your neighbors. They live in your neighborhood. Being a good neighbor means more than just living near other people. It means being friendly, helpful, and kind. It means doing the things that make other people feel friendly toward you. We can be good neighbors to the people who live in our neighborhood and in other neighborhoods. We can be good neighbors to people who live a long way from where we live. We can be a good neighbors to people who live in other countries.
Thank you for telling me what is neighbor and neighborhood. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on my video. Bye bye.